Now, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I bring you the hottest gossip. In case you've missed it, this is where you'll find it. Now, guys, Izingane Zestembu is currently trending. It's the show that is currently trending. People are currently watching the show. You know, Izingane Zestembu, guys, it's about Musa Mseleku's children, and then there's Umpumelelo Nomjolo wakhe, which is, you know. So ke sana ke uMusa Mseleku was okay, he also appears on some parts, but it is mostly about his children. So ke sana Musa Mseleku guys in our shame. Like, I don't know if it's old age or in, but he's always crying. He is always crying, and Sana, it breaks my heart now. I'm not sure if it's acting or vele vele vele, but Sana kuningi. It's like I'm stressed or I'm stressed. So Musa Mseleku ne abantwana bakhe abadala, the oldest sons, it's Umpumelelo and Ulwandle. These two people, they have cars that they got from the family, And then now, Abongwe, who is Musa's daughter, had a sit down with her father. She's like, okay, Dad, I'm about to finish my studies. I'm about to graduate. Like, can you please give me a car? Because you gave Mpumelelo a car. You gave Ulwandle a car. Can I please also get one? Please, abego. And then the father was like, nope, you are not getting any car when I can't give you a car because Umpumelelo, Umpumelelo is the famous one, lo onesithembu, Mbumbulu. Umpumelelo also got a car. Okay, so Mseleku's explanation was that Umpumelelo got a car because he is not furthering his studies. So that's why he got the car. Ne? So now Abongwe is like, but Dad, I also need a car. Why did they get cars and I don't get cars? Now people who social media, people are saying, no, 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 this guy is sexist. This guy is sexist. Zulu guys are sexist. It's not me, ne? It's not me. It's social media. Social media is the one that is saying that, not me. Social media is saying Musa Mseleku is sexist. Musa Mseleku favors the boys more than the girls because kuma girls, ne, the oldest girls, Usne is the oldest, the firstborn. She doesn't have a car. Abongwe naye, she's old, like she's about to finish her studies. I'm sure maybe for job hunting purposes naye, maybe she's thinking, I also need to get a car for my daddy. And then there's also Umpilontle. Pilontle and I also didn't get a car from the dad. The only people who got cars is Umpumelelo Nolwandle. And I'm a male lawa boythu. So people are suspecting this guy is sexist. This guy is sexist. Because he is saying Guti Mpumelelo got a car because he didn't further his studies. Usnena didn't further his hair studies. Usne didn't further her studies, but she didn't get a car. This guy, we are discriminate her, you know? So guys, I don't know. How do you guys look at it? Do you think Vele Vele he is sexist? Because you know? But each to their own, guys. What works for them won't work for you. It's their decision at the end of the day. But now I get it. Like, why Abongwe also wants a car? Because these two have cars. Why can't I? And it's not my fault ukuthi Mpumelelo didn't go and further his studies. I also need a car. It's understandable, Shem. I understand where she's coming from. But kesana, ukhulumile umseleku. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next upload. Bye.